download the Comsol server installer, go to Comsol.com and scroll to the product download link, or click the link shown in this video. You will want to click the installer for your operating system. And if yours is not default, you can find your operating system on the right side of the screen here. After downloading, click the installer to run it. Once opened, select the language for your installation, and then click Next. And then select New Comsol Installation. Accept the terms of the license agreement, change the license format to license file, and then browse to your hard drive and go to Local Disk, Program Files, Comsol, and then select the server license. Click Next, and Next again through the Platforms and Features sections. And this brings us to the options. For this installation, we are not installing the Comsol client. So I will uncheck that. If you are also installing the Comsol client, leave this box checked, and after this video, we will direct you to another one where you will set up the Comsol client. Now I will click Next to get to the Server tab. You can see that Comsol Server, by default, is installed as a service, and this is the recommended option and the only one shown in the video. Startup is automatic, and the port and service account are automatically generated. You can also set the startup to be automatic but delayed, manual, or disabled. We are prompted to create a local administrative user for Comsol Server. Automatically, the logged in user's name will be added as the username. But for this case, I will set up a dummy account with username as the username and password as the password, though yours should be different and unique. For more information on use with Windows authentication, click the link shown. Finally, we can click Next again, and in the Install tab, simply click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. Note that the License Manager has to be started before Comsol Server can be started and used. Once the License Manager service and Comsol Server service are started, you can log into your Comsol Server from the Start menu option, Comsol Server. You can manage the Comsol service through Manage Local Services. And you can start and stop the Comsol service, which is different from the FlexNet service. To learn more about starting the License Manager or installing and running the Comsol client, links will appear momentarily.